Hi everyone. Now some of you may have seen the video last week and the photos that we did where we were showing you an update on the replacement of the frame of the Suzuki King Quad 750. So this is it. This is the old frame and this is the new Suzuki King Quad 750, or with the new frame should I say. Now I just wanted to let you know something that we have to do when we change the frame. So when we buy a new frame from the manufacturer, they don't come with a frame number. So we have to transfer the frame number from the old or original frame onto the new frame. So I'll just show you kind of how we've done that here. If you can see, this section here of the frame has been cut out, which had the frame number on it, and we've put that frame number, we've tack welded that frame number onto the new replacement frame. One other thing that we have to do once we've done that job, just to make sure this frame doesn't get used again and it comes completely out of circulation, we have to destroy it. Now we've got a little rule here at MKM that the person that does the job gets to destroy it. So that just happens to be Jim this time. So Jim's in the Manitou, and Jim's job now is to crush the frame up, and then we're going to put it in the skip just to make sure that it doesn't get used again. So there we go, Jim, that's over to you. Now, that is a strong Suzuki frame. Hold on a minute, Jim. Let me flip it over. Go back a minute. Now, that's stronger than we thought. That is how strong a Suzuki King Quad frame is. Well, I think we're going to have to persevere with this a little bit. The frame's obviously a lot stronger than what we thought it would be. So we'll carry on. We'll probably have to cut it up a little bit, and we'll just make sure that that doesn't get used again.